Guangdong Amitime Technology Co Limited, a heat pump technology enterprise located in Foshan and Zhongshan of Guangdong, has dedicated over 2 decades to advancing intelligent manufacturing in China by delivering green energy solutions worldwide. In this video, we will interview Charlie from the overseas business team to gain a deeper understanding of Amitime through his professional narratives. Hi Charlie.
Hi.
How long have you been with Amitime?
I joined Amitime in 2023. So now I think already 2.5 years.
Okay, and what kind of company do you think Amitime is?
Compared to the company that I used to work with, Amitime impressed me about the cultures and the company development principles. I think firstly, Amitime is willing to push the employee to study and reading every day. They divide the employee to the different group to study together on Monday, every Monday. So, and they will be sharing in this group. They will be sharing the reading experience. So, also Amitime is willing to invite the people from outside the company to do the training for us, like the heat pump technology and the management skills. Also, Amitime is willing to send people go out to study as well, like for the PMP project management skills and also other management skills. Thirdly, I think Amitime provide the free accommodations and free meals every day for the employees. We proud to say that we are the top 10 of the average salary levels in our city. Finally, I think compared to the company that rely on the promotion and the advertisement, Amitime is the company that's more prefer spend money on the technical side. They build up a lot of laboratories and they hire a lot of R&D engineers.
Okay, and some people want to know more about our product. Can you introduce one of more popular products we sell?
Yes, I would like to introduce our AquaStar all-in-one hot water heat pump. We first launched the hot water heat pump in 2015, and at that time the reference was R410A. But as the time passed by, the 410A was exit to the market. So we launched our environment-friendly alternating unit. The water temperature outlet will be 75 degrees, and we have multiple choice for the water tank from 200 liters to 320 liters. And we have top discharge for the European countries, side discharge for the rest of the other in the world. We also applied the Wi-Fi and 4G models that allow you to use our apps control the unit.
Okay, and the next question is, what are the advantages of Amitime heat pumps compared to those of other companies?
Yes, first of all, I would like to say Amitime keep the OEM and ODM business model since 2003. Rather than become a competitor, we more prefer work as a partners in overseas market. And the second one I would like to say will be the R&D teams and the laboratories. We have the largest number of R&D teams in the heat pump industry, and we spend money to build up the laboratories like the environment laboratories, noise level test laboratories, long-term running laboratories, and we also purchase a lot of equipment to do the test. And lastly, I would like to say we have professional teams, sales team and the R&D teams. For the sales team, I think most of our sales team leaders are working in Amitime for more than 10 years, and they have a good experience to dealing with the customers, and they have knowledge to know what the customer needs. And we also will be sending people over to the European countries from every September to next year March. So that technical support team will be staying in Germany, in European countries, to support the trainings and solve the technical problems for our customers, for our partners.
And the last question is, we know that in 2025, you started to develop the Australian market on behalf of our company. What were the challenges you faced in the development of this new region market, and how did you overcome them?
Firstly, I would like to thank the company to trust me, and I think the main reason they put me in charge of the Australia market, I think is I have the Australia background. I finished my bachelor and master degree over there, and I worked in Sydney for 5 years in construction companies. I also met my wife in Australia. I think another main reason is Australia market is got higher potentials. According to the report, Chinese export report, that shows up that Australia has been the quantity that Australia market import from China of heat pump 8 months in the whole year is number one. That means this is a really big market for the heat pump industry. But as we know, like Amitime has established their own business in European countries. They put more resources on the European side. So at the very beginning, Amitime is not very familiar with in Australian market. They didn't build up their reputation in this market. So I have examples. I would at the beginning I sent 100 emails out to the Australia excellent brand. I didn't receive any of single email back. But thanks for the help for my manager Jack. We changed the strategy. We decided to go directly to the Australian market. So we heading to ARPS exhibitions in Sydney last year, and also we attend the Spanish exhibition in Gold Coast. So we get contact with the excellent brand in Australian market. So from now, I think we already have more than 10 visitors from Australia companies, and we already established a good relationship with one of the big brand in Australia. I think in the future, Australian market will be we will have more and more Australian customers.
Thank you for your sharing, and I also think so. And also thank you for participating in today's interview and letting us know more detailed information about Amitime. We believe that those who are interested in Amitime will have a deeper understanding of us after watching this video. Thank you again.
Thank you.